your boy May.
And your girl Kayla.
Alright, so today we back with the hot versus
Regular food.
Yes sir, yes sir, yes sir. Alright. So make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. You see we got our new bowls. We ain't got the red and white bowls no more.
Yeah.
We went and got the, the right bowls this time.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know if they gonna fit, but we gonna see. We gonna see. Alright, so let's get into this video, round one. We have the regular blue Doritos, and we got the new Baja Flamingo chips. I don't know what the heck these is.
Baja Fiery Mango Doritos.
Okay, yeah, she know what it is, but I don't know what it is. Okay, so you put yours under there. Put mine under there. And we got a rock, paper, scissors, shoot, nigga. Rock, paper, scissors, and shoot. Rock, paper, scissors. We not starting this today.
All right, bro. All right, bro. All right.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Okay, y'all. So I get to turn it.
I ain't gonna cheat.
Yeah.
I ain't gonna cheat.
I should slap you.
That should be enough now. That's enough. That's enough. Them things is loud. I get to go in it. Yeah, I get to spin. You close your eyes now. Yeah, what you thought? You thought you were gonna get it easy? You thought you was gonna pick? Yeah. Nah, buddy. You thought wrong, right? She thought wrong, right?
Bruh.
Let's get it. Let's get. All right, now I'm really nervous now because they the same bowl, so I really don't know.
Or do we just pick? We gonna choose, or we gonna like?
But we gonna
just
rock,
pick them
paper,
up?
scissors, shoot. Who get it first? So let's get it. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
I'm gonna go with the one in front of me.
Yes! Yes! I wanted these, I ain't gonna lie, because I want to try them. I want to see how they taste.
But I wanted to try those too, though.
You got the regular, my guy. Ooh, these just stink. These things is stink. These things is stink. Oh my goodness. I ain't gonna tell y'all to try them yet, because I ain't even trying them yet, but I'm gonna taste them first. I'm gonna let y'all know.
I got the regular one.
Yeah, you got the bull jars. You got the bull jars. I need one with a lot of seasoning. I need that real taste, you know what I'm saying? I need that spiciness. I need that hotness. I need that taste, like Daisy Bates. I need that taste,
What's that?
Thought you could. I don't like these.
No, you got to eat the whole chip,
I don't
bro.
like these.
Eat the whole chip.
Bro, it tastes like a pineapple.
You got to eat the whole thing.
And these things is hot for real.
Eat the whole thing.
My mouth is...
Eat the whole thing. I just ate a whole chip, bro.
You got regular.
So?
I ain't got nothing to do with you. Talking about a whole chip.
Eat the whole thing.
This thing is hot.
Bro, eat the whole thing. You ain't eat. You just.
No, it's nasty for real.
Just eat the whole thing.
Taste one.
No, eat the
Just
whole
taste
thing.
one. Taste one first.
Eat the whole thing.
I'm gonna eat the whole thing. Just taste one though. You gonna see what I'm saying. That's nasty. You see what I'm saying? And what kind of flavor is this? That's not it. That is nasty.
Eat the whole thing.
You really gonna make me eat this?
Yep.
All these chips got infection. These got infection. I'm about to die.
Bro, eat the whole chip.
I might be allergic to
These
these.
things is spicy. That's how I burn the back of my dang on tongue.
I told you. Listen. I might be allergic to these. You never know.
Bro, eat the whole thing.
Man, don't go get these, man. I'm sorry. But these are bad.
If you like a sweet and spicy taste, then yeah,
Nah,
get
these
those.
is not sweet and spicy. Sweet and spicy is like the purple Doritos. That's sweet and spicy.
But
these
if
taste like.
but you know, some people like pineapple pizza with jalapenos. So like, if y'all like stuff like that, then y'all can go get these or whatever.
But it's not pizza. These are chips.
But still, it's
When you eat chips, you want to eat chips when you laying back, playing a game, laying back, watching a movie or something, watching TV,
You
a
eat
little
popcorn.
snack to eat. No, you eat chips too. What you get when you go to the movie? What you get? Popcorn, and you could get chips, right?
Bro, I get popcorn.
But you get chips, right?
Eat that chip. Stop trying to change the subject.
I need some water.
No, we can't eat no. We can't drink no water.
20th Baja anniversary. The anniversary was this and this shit. This thing sucks.
Okay, go ahead and eat it.
I don't like that.
Okay, y'all. Next round.
Oh yeah. I don't like it.
Your mouth burn?
I don't burn. That one ain't burnt, but it's just I don't like the taste of it. I don't like that.
Okay, you guys.
And I'm cutting it out. So you did that for nothing. Come on.
Bro.
Get the next thing. Round 2. We got the hot mama. And we got the dill pickle. Why they don't got it say hot daddy or something?
Wait, what?
It's not a hot daddy. Okay, y'all. I still want the hot one, but
I
then
want the
again,
regular because I don't even eat pickles like that. So
I like pickles.
yeah, I know.
Okay, so
Let's go. Let's get to it. Let's get to it. Rock, paper, heat.
close your
You
eyes.
keep picking the same thing. I'm getting sick of it. I watch the next one. The next one I'm winning. I'm not getting hot this whole time.
Like how you got sour the whole time?
I told you. I'm waiting.
These things.
You better not be cheating.
Okay, I'm done.
I told them, close your eyes. Close your eyes.
Bro, I'm waiting for you to talk.
I told them I wasn't gonna fail them next time. I'm not failing them this time.
Anyways, Team Kayla, go ahead and go down in the comment section and put Team Kayla. You already know what it is.
Team man, listen.
Nope.
Listen.
Team Kayla.
The first 2 times I lost, I didn't win yet. But I'm gonna win
Team
this.
Kayla.
So let's get it.
You already know what it is.
Close your eyes.
You gonna have to close your eyes too, because they be sliding.
Close your eyes.
And my eyes is closed. I ain't you.
What?
Name.
Come on. Come on. Rock, this you.
Let's see.
There ain't no way I keep losing.
Which one did I pick the last time? I picked the one in front of me?
Yeah.
Let's
I
pick.
think you should pick one in front of you again.
No. 'Cause I feel like you cheating.
How?
This one.
That's a bull, man. Well,
Maybe it's not hard.
but you know I don't eat pickles, so
Yeah.
I don't really eat pickles right there. We should have opened this and pulled the juice out before I.
It's okay. Come on.
It ain't okay. Cause where the heck is this gonna go? This thing is hot. It smells hot. I smell it.
You smell it?
Alright. Here we go. This a big old pickle.
It's a big mama.
That's actually good. But it's hot. It is hot though. It's hot. It ain't crazy hot, but it got hot still. Man, you're not about to sit here and eat up that whole thing, man. Come on, man.
Why not?
Cause we gotta go taste this. You wanna taste that?
I don't know where your mouth been.
Nigga. That thing juicy, boy. That pickle right there is juicy. Ooh. And if you eat too much hot stuff, you get hot burn. I feel it. It's coming.
That is hot.
I told you. Told you.
And it's juicy.
Yeah.
Yeah. I stick with the regulars. Alright, bro. Alright. I'm about to put it back!
Let me do you a favor. Cause I'll be back. Alright, you guys. Round three. 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 Shit what your mama gave you. Shit what your mama gave you. Shit what your mama gave you.
Okay, stop before you catch him up. Okay.
We got the regular donut.
Yeah. Golden glaze.
And we got a hot honey flavored glazed donut. Hot honey. Hot honey donut is, oh my god.
Yep. Hot honey.
I do not.
Who came out with this though?
I do not want that one. That's one I don't want right there.
I don't want it either. I'd rather eat this one.
Hot honey? No, stop giving me the hot stuff. Cause it ain't something ain't right. Rock, paper, scissors. Rock, paper, scissors, heat. I told you.
No.
It's the.
No.
I had rock.
But but scissors cut a rock.
Oof, man. Rock. Close your eyes. Close your eyes all the way, cause you cheating now. Now you cheating.
How? All right.
Why see your eyes?
No.
Why see your
I can open them?
Yeah, go.
Okay.
Make sure y'all follow.
Subscribe.
Yep. And follow us on Instagram. Yes, sir.
And TikTok.
And TikTok. Oh, yeah. Make sure y'all follow our TikTok. It's going to be right here. Or right here.
Already.
Or right here.
Whatever.
Yes, Sirski! Should I go around like last video?
Bro, just go ahead and pick out the
Bruh.
You cheated. You cheated.
There you go. There you go. There you go. There you go. There you go.
We gonna have to start this over.
We ain't starting nothing over.
We gonna have to start this over.
No.
Cause you cheated. I
lost
feel
it.
like you cheated.
How? You spent last. How much you? How much you spent last? Come on, man. Make it make
Man,
sense.
y'all got this hot honey.
Make it make sense.
Nasty.
I got that regular donut.
All right, bro. Let's just get this over with.
Yes, sir. It's hot. It's so hot.
A little bit.
Let me smell it.
It do a little bit.
It don't smell like nothing. It smells like a donut.
To me, it smell hot. That's good. Nope.
Suck. Them things trash.
I'm gonna feed it a cookie.
No, you're not. Go. No, you eat it. You bite it. Just like you just told me. Bite it. You gotta get a big bite, too. No. Come on. Let me feed you, little baby. Open. No, open. Acting like you got our own chicken. Open. Man, open.
Okay, bro.
It's nasty. It's hot.
I'm sure it.
Chew it. Don't you throw up. Don't you do it. Don't you do. Don't you do it. Don't you do it. So should I get an extra 2 points for that? For spitting it out?
That is disgusting. Now my breath about to be stained.
It was already stank. So I should get an extra point for that. You spit it out. You ain't even. I ain't like the chip and I ain't spit that out.
But this is actually nasty.
I don't
like,
care. I don't. If I would have had, you'd have made me eat it.
Like what? Next thing.
On to the next thing, man. You could throw those in the trash. I don't even want that. I'll throw in the trash. Get to me. Round 4. 4. We got
The hot and spicy.
Cheez-Its.
And the regular Cheez-Its.
And the regular Cheez-Its. This one, I don't care which one I get. I don't care which one I get. I eat both.
I like regular.
I eat the hot and I eat the regular.
I never had hot.
I had all of them. Any Cheez-Its you can name, I done had. Barbecue, I had.
Ain't no barbecue.
It is barbecue. Parmesan, I had.
Okay, anyways, you guys.
Yeah. Okay, so how we gonna do this one? This box too big, so it can't fit in the box.
Well,
So
we was gonna notice which one was which because it's
Yeah.
a bag and it's a box.
So on the bottom we got a piece of tape. This means spicy, and this one means regular.
Yeah, the one without tape.
The one without, yeah. So that's how we gonna do that. So we're gonna sit those right there. Rock, paper, scissors. And whatever one we get, hey, I don't care.
That donut taste is still in my mouth, bro. This shit about to piss me off.
You gotta take it. You said nothing drink. See, we could have been got something drink. But you don't want nothing drink. And I told you we could have got something drink, but you didn't want to get nothing
Man,
drink.
be quiet. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. I beat you. So
No, you
come on.
didn't. No, you didn't. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. That's not right. Go. I just know you looking at me.
You cheating. Okay, go ahead.
Close your eyes. Come on. Yes, sir, Steve. I'm going. free Tay.
You cheated. You cheated. But I don't care anyway, because I didn't want the heart. So.
I wanted the heart, but I wanted that. Because if I got that, I would have got a point. But I didn't get a point because I got spicy. But it really don't matter. It really don't matter.
I get this taste out my mouth.
I still get to eat me some hot Cheez-Its, man. Some hot Cheez-Its, man. They stay hot till you can smell.
It is.
When the camera go off, I'm about to bust these down.
Yup, he gonna be right in that bed munching.
These and them.
What your mama say? Fat greedy hog?
Call me what you want.
Fat greedy hog.
I'm gonna eat these ones. These and the next thing.
Big back.
Ooh, the next one.
Big back.
You got the biggest bag.
No, you got the biggest bag.
Yeah, who got the biggest bag? Oh,
Y'all, who got the biggest bag?
the one who said she tried to lose weight and couldn't do it because she wanted to keep eating everything.
Don't start.
That was good. I got
Alright, next round.
taste one. No, you gotta taste one.
I'll taste it later.
No, don't taste one because that's gonna be one less Cheez-It I have. So go.
I'll taste it later.
All right, next round. Round 5. Now you talking my language. You talking my language now.
We got the fries in the building.
We got
fries in
the
the building.
ranch flavored ones. I never had these before.
Me neither.
And the hot ones. If you don't eat these,
We got the ranch fries and we got the hot fries.
if you don't eat these, you're not being racist. If you black
Really, nigga?
and you don't eat these, give me your black card.
Give it to me! Give it to me!
And because I know y'all used to be in
Give
school.
me your black card.
In school with the paper,
What?
putting the hot fries on the paper.
Oh, you're talking my language, boy. I miss them days. I used to go to school that much. I miss them
Yeah,
days.
you have it.
Listen. School stuff. Ain't they still even school stuff?
The small bags, yeah.
School stuff. I'm going to get them. This and the cookie. They chocolate chip cookies they used to have. Bust. Jenkins don't know nothing about that. Jenkins don't know because they didn't have a school store like Johnson did.
Bro, your breath smell like you smell like them cheeses.
Alright.
I
Here we
want
go.
these ones.
I don't care which ones are.
It say creamy, tangy, zesty in every bite.
I don't know how they taste, but I know how them taste.
These ones.
And I will, let's get it. Wait, hold on. I forgot to take the thing. Oh no, we don't need it again. Rock, paper, scissors, heat. Rock, paper, scissors, heat. Rock, paper, scissors, heat. Yes, Ersky. Yes, Ersky. Yes, Ersky. Close the eyes. Close the eyes. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. I knew it. I look at you every time. I know it. I be seeing your eyes twitch. You cheat.
You done?
Your turn.
I'm about to smack you.
Yeah.
Okay.
first one you gonna get now. I'll take him. I'll take him. I'll take him. I'll take him.
But I didn't want these ones. I
I'll
really
take
wanted
them.
these ones.
Well, you wanted them, but you ain't getting them. I done had those so many times.
I did too. Like,
That's some old times. So wait. What's the score? 3-2, ain't it? It's 3-2. I won this, and I won a donut.
oh yeah, I got 3. You got 2.
Yeah.
Cause I had these and they don't.
Yep.
Yeah, cause ain't I had the regular chips.
Yep. You had the Cheez-Its.
Oh yeah, so
Yeah,
it is.
3-2. I'm coming back. I'm coming back.
Can I just take one?
No. Eat those right now. Maybe you can taste one later.
I am going
Well,
to
you
taste one
can't.
later. They good? You don't have to do all that.
No. Huh. Take one. Yeah. Stop. One. This thing busting. If y'all tired of these bags, y'all tired of the hot ones, please go try these. Go, where you got them from? Emma?
Yeah,
Walmart?
but they got them everywhere. Y'all got them from Mart.
Walmart, Embark, Parker's. Well, go get these. The ranch flavor. These things is good.
Okay, I'm having those later.
No, you're not. We gonna share these.
Come on now.
Man, what's going on?
I need something to drink.
Yeah, I do too. Next round.
Round 6.
Round 6. I was trying to do the 6, but I was doing a piece too. Round 6.
We got the boiled peanut.
Boiled peanuts.
The hot.
The regular peanuts. Regular.
You know they got salt. They got salt and vinegar peanuts.
Nah, I'm good. Alright. So, yeah, we got the regular. Alright. That's what we gonna do. Let's get to it. Them chips was good. I want me some more.
I'm thirsty. I'm just ready to get some to drink. And my mouth burning.
Ready? Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. I ain't even gonna say nothing. Go ahead. Go. Go!
Close them eyes.
Go. Go!
Bro. Close your eyes. Your dog's some chocolate.
Wrapping some
Some what?
some squash.
Okay.
What the world?
Okay, your turn.
I hope y'all ears, they ears gonna be. See, now you cheat. Everybody, close your eyes.
All right, bro. My eyes.
Okay.
Don't piss me off.
Ready? You do the same thing. Come on, man.
You do the same thing too.
Come on, man.
Scratch me.
My bad.
Okay. I don't feel like going over this. I'm just gonna go with it.
Yeah! 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 3-3. 3-3. I told y'all. Move. I told y'all. This is mine right here. Hey, don't choke me like that no more. Let's get it.
Don't
MC
start.
Mikey. MC Mikey.
Mom.
MC Mikey. MC Mikey.
These guys
MC
stink. I want them hot.
It's like somebody spit in mine.
You just shook them up, Jack. I'm warming these up later. Cause I don't like them cold.
These right here, when you get these make you shut up. You don't want to talk no more after these.
Yeah, like how you ate my peanuts the last time.
You don't want to talk no more after these.
Been tearing them things up.
Alright. Let's get it. Let's get it. That was good.
I don't like them cold.
You don't like them cold, but you tan them up.
Cause I ain't wasting no peanut.
Alright, y'all. And this what it comes to. 3-3. 3-3.
Well, it's gonna be 4
You
to
thought
2.
you just gonna speed past me like that? No. I'm back. I told them I'm not giving up. I'm here. Now, bonus round.
Okay, you guys, we got the bonus round. We got the bonus round. My favorite number, number 7, number 7, number 7,
7.
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 number 7.
Let me tell you, this is what my boy taught me. Come on, go. This is what my boy
Number
taught me.
7, number 7, number 7, number 7, number 7,
Number 7.
number 7,
Time to turn up.
number 7.
Hot noodles. Answer your own. No, you got it. Turn for your partners. Free little tape. For ourselves ghost. Turn up. Turn up. All right, come on.
Yeah, because my arm's starting to hurt. And it's
All
getting
right.
hot.
Here we go. We
got
hot and spicy
Firework.
firecracker.
Oh, it said firecracker?
Firework. Firecracker. Same thing. All right.
Oh, I don't even got an R.
Firewalk.
What?
Firewalk.
And I got the regular.
This one right here, we wasn't gonna do. Her cousin wanted us to do it.
She really wanted us to get the Chinese noodles. Shout out to Faith. She loved her some Koreans.
Yeah. If there's some Koreans watching, tap in. But you gotta go through me first, though. I'm gonna have to. Alright, we ain't gonna do that. Here we go. I gotta win this one. Got to win this one. Yes! Starting off good. That's one. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Go. Go.
Close your eyes.
Don't be cheating either, cause you know you.
You're cheating.
Yes! Yes! Ah! Ah! Come on, God. Be on my side. Regular, 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 regular. I can feel the heat. My arm twitching over here too much.
Oh my goodness.
I'm going this way. Oh, man. Oh my goodness.
Yeah, he got the fire walk.
I knew I should have picked this one. My arm was twitching too much over here.
Oh, this is Asian noodles. It said Asian noodles. So this is Asian noodles. Boy, your mouth about to be on fire walk.
Man.
Boy, you about to be on fire walk. That boonky about to be. Boy. Alright, y'all.
We'll be back, man. We gotta go cook them. Alright, you guys.
We back. We cooked the noodles.
Yeah, we made the noodles.
I don't like this brand of noodle.
I got the hot. She got the regular.
Yeah, I got the regular chicken. He got the chili chicken.
And these things hot.
They look like they
If
hot.
I can show y'all them, they hot. Alright. Ready?
We gonna eat it at the same time?
Yeah. Same time.
They hot. Babe know something about them Korean and Asian noodles. They real hot. Is they at least good? Are they at least good? Is they good?
They good, but it's just hot. It's burning my throat.
Let me taste it.
It ain't crazy hot. Like no one chip. Ooh, we should have got that.
The one chip?
Yep, we should have got the one chip.
I don't like them.
They ain't
But
nasty.
they is hot.
They ain't nasty. They're just noodles with hot sauce. But like spicy hot sauce.
Yeah, them things, the tip of my tongue,
Oh shit. How many bites I gotta take?
How many bites you took?
I took 2.
Shoot, how many bites you want? I think I might eat these noodles.
They ain't nasty though. They good.
Yeah, I see, because you would have been stopped eating. What?
I quit. They
What?
burning.
Where you going? Where are you going? Okay, you get some drink. You get some drink.
Boy, I'm about to go take a mean.
Stop.
It's not me. It's just coming out. It's the hotness. Alright. This is the last one.
Yep, this was it.
Okay.
That was the 7th round.
I lost again.
4-3.
It was 4-3. I came back. I tried. I don't know, man. I lost again. It's
I won again.
That's 3 times in a row. Next one, we're gonna do next time.
I don't know what we're gonna do next.
We're gonna figure out what we're gonna do next time.
Y'all comment below what y'all want to see us do.
Comment down below what you want to see us do.
Come on, y'all. Be active. Be active. Be active.
I can't even talk. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe,
Subscribe.
hit the bell,
Bling.
so you can be notified when we post. Them noodles hot.
Firewalk.
Make sure you watch our other videos.
Yep.
One will be right here or right here. And make sure you hit the subscribe. And that'll be it.
And we're out.